Hey Pinners, welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. Today we're tackling a question: how to turn off those notification sounds in the Pinterest app. If you're ready for a quieter Pinterest experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Pinterest app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, let's get ready to silence those notification tones. To begin, access your profile by tapping on the saved icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Next, look for the profile icon in the upper left corner and tap on it to enter the Pinterest settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Settings to open more options. Now, head into Account Management. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the notification settings until you find App Sound. You can now toggle off the switch to turn off notification sounds, and that's it. You've successfully silenced your notifications in the Pinterest app. And there you have it. Enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest experience without the constant notification sounds. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful Pinterest tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.